CapCut is actually a free and simple program in which you can actually edit your videos for free. It's different from Adobe Premiere Pro or After Effects. It does not have higher amount of editing options, but it's so much easier to use it, as well as with so many features that create anime edit videos or some other video with your need. So in this video, we will be showing how to download and install CapCut on your PC. In some of the regions, it will not be accessible. But in this video, we will be showing how to access it. So let's get on with the fifth step. So type CapCut in Google search bar, then click on the first website. For some of you, it may appear as not found. So in order to solve that, we will be using VPN. So those of you who already have VPN, turn it on with another region. Those don't have, just click on the three dots in the top right side of your Chrome, then place your cursor on extensions, then click on Visit Chrome Web Store. Then click on the search bar and type Touch VPN, select the first option. Click on Add to Chrome, and now click here and set any region of your likes. Then refresh the website. Now, as you can see, now we have access to the website. There are two ways you can use CapCut, either by online editing mode or by downloading the software in your system. We will be downloading in our system. So now scroll down and click on Download for Windows. It will be downloaded onto your folder. Now browse for the installer and run it. It will take certain time. So as you can see, we can now open CapCut. Also, some of the windows may show network errors. So for this too, you need to use VPN as well, but not as extension, but a software installed. If not, you can use Proton VPN, for which we have provided link in description to download. So that's it. If you face any problems, feel free to ask in the comment section. We will help you with all the errors. So don't forget to subscribe to get more content like this. See you soon.